welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. Freya Skye silent treatment, one of the worst treatments ever. Now let's go into the song from Freya. We have a capo on first, best scenario for us, and with that I believe we have 8 chords. Yes, something like that, 7, 8. Let's go into it, and we're gonna start with C. Okay, C goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. E minor next, open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the D sus4, which we're going to use for the verse. That goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We also got the D we're going to use for the rest of the song, and the only difference there is that 3rd E goes to 2nd E instead. Everything else stays the same, that's the D. We also got the A minor 7. So that goes open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, open E. We got the B minor 7. So you place the index finger on the 2nd fret as a bar, and you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. Then you need to add 4th D and 3rd B. And finally we got the G. As in Gordon, of course. Anyway, 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E, and there you have it. So, let's go into the strumming, which is played in the same way here through the entire song. Grab the first chord C, and one string around is about 8 downs, like this. Okay, notice I'm playing and try to highlight certain downs. And that is the 4th down and the 7th down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm playing on the bass strings for all the other downs, but the 4th and 7th down, I want to go down on the mid-high area. Something like that. And play that down there. And that gives us that certain rhythm. So let's go into the first verse. You're going to play C, 1 string around, E minor 1, and the D sus4, 2 string rounds. So C1, E minor 1, D sus 2. You play that for 2 rounds. 1 round goes like this. Alright, 2 rounds of that, first verse. Into the pre-chorus now. You're going to play A minor 7, 1, B minor 7, 1, C, 1, and 1 down on D with a pause. Just 1 down. The pause, the length of it is as if you would play 1 string around. So A minor, B minor, C, D, like this. And there comes the first chorus. Now, speaking of the chorus, we have C1, G1, D1, E minor 1 for 2 rounds, like this. 2 rounds of that, and there you have the first round. Now we have the second verse, and it's different from the first one. The second verse is actually played in the same way as the chorus we just learned. So you're going to play C1, G1, D1, and E minor 1 for 2 rounds. Alright, then comes the second pre-chorus, just repetition, no news, played in the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second chorus. Okay, so after second chorus comes the bridge part. We hit now 1 minute and 26 second mark. What you're going to play here now is this A minor 7, 1, the B minor 1, C1, and D1. Strumming around. Then the second round you're going to play the same, but the last down here you just play 1 down with a pause. So basically 2 rounds of A minor, B minor, C, D. 1 down on last D. Then we hit the final parts of the song, guys. That's the third chorus, and it's played exactly in the same way as the previous choruses. The only difference here is it's twice as long. So you're going to play 4 rounds of that C, G, D, E minor. You're going to hit that hard, that 4 combo chord. And that's it, guys. That's how you handle someone who wants to treat you with silence. Silent treatment. Freya Skye, thank you for watching. Play tuned.